Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 30th, 2025, and we're diving into Logitech's recently released Q4 and full year 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Logitech has had an interesting year with broad-based sales growth and increased profitability, driven by their strategic priorities. I'm excited to delve into the details.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Logitech reported sales of $4.55 billion for fiscal year 2025, a 6% increase. However, Q4 sales were flat at $1.1 billion. John, what can you tell us about these figures?
Logitech's full-year sales growth is impressive, especially given the challenging market conditions. The flat sales in Q4 reflect some headwinds, but overall, the company has managed to maintain its revenue base. The strategic investments and bad debt expenses impacted Q4 profitability, with non-GAAP EPS down 6% to 93 cents.
And how about their profitability for the year?
For the full year, Logitech's non-GAAP EPS rose by 14% to 484 cents, showcasing strong operational efficiency and cost management. This is a testament to their strategic focus and execution.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Logitech's operational efficiencies seem to be a highlight. Can you elaborate on their gross margins and cash flow?
Absolutely. Logitech achieved a non-GAAP gross margin of 43.5%, indicating effective cost control and pricing strategies. They also generated $843 million in cash flow from operations, which is quite robust. However, they have withdrawn their FY 2026 outlook due to tariff uncertainties, which is something investors should watch closely.
What about their guidance for the upcoming quarter?
For Q1 FY26, Logitech is forecasting sales between $1.1 and $1.15 billion, with a slight growth in constant currency. This cautious optimism reflects their strategic focus on navigating market uncertainties.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Logitech's leadership has made some strong statements about their strategic direction. What are the key takeaways from the CEO and CFO?
CEO Hanneke Faber emphasized their strong market position and strategic priorities, focusing on offense, disciplined cost control, and agility. CFO Matteo Anversa highlighted their profitable growth and operational discipline, which have been crucial in expanding their market share.
How does this position them in the market?
Logitech's diverse global footprint and strong brand have allowed them to navigate market challenges effectively. Their strategic initiatives are well aligned to capitalize on growth opportunities while managing risks.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's discuss the EPS forecast. Analysts were expecting 71, but Logitech reported a non-GAAP EPS of 93. How significant is this beat?
This is a substantial beat, exceeding analyst expectations by a significant margin. It reflects Logitech's strong operational performance and ability to manage costs effectively, even in a challenging environment.
And how many analysts were surveyed for this forecast?
There were 4 analysts surveyed, which provides a reasonable consensus for comparison. Logitech's ability to outperform these expectations is a positive indicator for investors.
Key takeaways. In summary, Logitech has delivered a strong performance for fiscal year 2025 with significant sales growth and profitability improvements. Despite some challenges in Q4, their strategic focus and operational efficiencies have positioned them well for the future. John, any final thoughts?
Logitech's ability to beat EPS expectations and maintain strong cash flow is commendable. Their strategic initiatives and market position provide a solid foundation for navigating future uncertainties. Investors should keep an eye on their execution in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Logitech's performance in the comments below.